Hi guys, this is going to be our last video for your math pages. You might have noticed that in your new packet you don't have more math pages. You're just going to have some online test prep and STEAM activities. So how awesome is that? So on this lesson we're going to be looking at liquid volume, and we started with this yesterday. And you've learned a little bit about this in science, so it should be some good review for you. So in our example, it says Jan is going to pour water into a picnic cooler. She is trying to estimate how many liters it can hold when it's full. It looks like the cooler can hold about 12 bottles. Since there would be space between the bottles, Jan estimates the cooler might hold about 15 liters of water. So you can see the 6 bottles here, and why it says 12 is because you can kind of imagine that there would be enough room for some underneath. And so if she were to pour the water out of those 12 bottles, she thinks that there would be some extra room because there's going to be some space in between the bottles. Right? Question number 1. The can of juice holds 1 liter. About how many liters could the pitcher hold? And this is the pitcher. How did you decide? So we're thinking about having a can of juice and pouring it in here. And if I were to just take this and put it in this same section, I know it would come to about right here and right here. So I'm thinking maybe about 2, a little bit more than 2. So our answer should be about 2 liters. And I would say the reason, it looks like you could fit about 2 cans into the pitcher. If you had put more than 1 liter or anything up to 3 liters, if you put more than 3 liters, then that's not correct and you'll need to go fix that. 3 would be too much. All right, question 2. Which of these items could hold about 1 liter of water? Circle the letter for all that apply. Got a trash can, a bathtub, a coffee pot, or a flower vase. Now, I think a trash can would probably be way too much. A bathtub would definitely be way too much, so none of those. Now, a coffee pot, that makes sense. And a flower vase, that also makes sense. And it did say circle all that apply. So you have more than one correct answer there. All right, question number 3. A kitchen sink holds about 40 liters of water. What could hold more than 40 liters of water? So you got to think about something that's bigger than your kitchen sink. Circle the letter of the correct answer. So I've got bathtub, cooking pot, coffee cup, and cereal bowl. Well, the biggest thing on there is going to be what, guys? Your bathtub. So a bathtub holds more than 40 liters of water. All right, we're going to turn to the back, page 246. Question number 4 says this juice dispenser, that's like one of those that you might see at like on the football field, has 3 liters of juice in it. About how many liters does this juice dispenser hold when it is full? Circle the letter of the correct answer. We've got 2, 3, 6, or 10. So we need to think about how much space this is. So if this, the way it is 3, we need to think about if this was also full. And I would say that that looks like about half. So I would think that it's going to take 3 more, and 3 plus 3 we know is dun 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 6. So it should hold about 6 liters. Question 5, about how many liters of water can the large jug hold? Circle the letter of the correct answer. So I've got this bottle and I'm pouring it in here to this jug. Now I know half a liter, that's not going to be enough. And 1 liter is definitely not going to be enough because that would just be one of these bottles and then they would be the same size. 2 liters, I think, would be about double. And then 8 would be pouring 8 of these in here. I think 8, oops, my little reveal thing I accidentally put over there. But 8 liters is going to be your best answer for that. All right, and our last question, number 6, explain how you estimated the answer to problem 5. So here's a possible explanation. I estimated by studying the pictures and estimating about how many bottles could fit in the large jug. It's bigger than the bottle, so it's more than a liter. I'm sure I could fit more than 2 bottles in it, so C is not right either. That means D, or 8 liters, is the best answer. Notice how they really explained all of their thinking. And that is all for tonight, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you later, Gators.